Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Hoshiarpur location. It is from Punjab. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for assistant manager, digital product finance growth. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, like manage FOAs, recruit, train and motivate the team, manage channel relationships, drive sales numbers and increase finance penetration, meet allocated sales targets, and manage the sales process, ensure process trigger and controllership, and ensure smooth service delivery to channel partners, etc., and manage the FOS productivity and reconciliation of dealer payments. And coming to the required qualifications and experience, like the candidate should be MBA with 3 to 4 years of work experience or graduate with a minimum 5 years of experience, and prior exposure to sales roles is highly desirable, and good communication and interpersonal skills and good relationship management skills and a proficient in MS Office and the ability to coordinate with various departments within the organization. These are some qualifications and experience required for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for assistant manager credit operations in Bajaj Finserv. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, like understanding of the financial loan products and credit policies for unsecured loans and deliver disbursement quality, clear holes at TCS as per agreed SLA, and knowledge of loan documentation pre-sanction and post-sanction, and would be responsible for coordination with verification agencies and tracking verification reports on a day-to-day basis, and ability to learn and apply learning quickly, and responsible for disbursement, DM preparation and QDP processing. These are some duties and responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the qualifications and experience required, like the candidates should have knowledge of loan operations and graduate with 1 to 2 years of experience in operations. These are the qualifications and experience required. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant manager business loans in Bajaj Finserv. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, like managing and supporting the effective deployment of team of sales professionals with respect to the geographical area, and exploring new markets and in allocating resources to most profitable opportunities, and achieving sales targets and cross-selling insurance. These are some job duties and key responsibilities. And coming to the required qualifications and experience, like the candidates should have relevant sales experience in managing large sales channels in multiple market environments, and should have overall knowledge to source from salarized loans business, and the candidates should have good communication and analytical skills and channel management skills, and demonstrated success and achievement orientation, excellent communicational skills, strong bias for action and driving results in a high performance environment, and demonstrated ability to lead from the front. These are the qualifications and experience required for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available for manager operations. This is only for males. And coming to the company, it is Hash Biotech Labs Private Limited. And coming to the experience required, like 8 to 10 years of experience required. And coming to the job description, like planning, preparation, monitoring, and control of budgets, capability to handle financial and management accounting, budgeting, MIS, internal controls, IT or ERP management, and coordinate with stationary and internal auditors and regulatory authorities, bankers, and insurance companies, and understanding of business, arrangement of short-term and long-term finance from banks and financials, and the institutions are the competitive pricing, and working capital management and project financing, and analysis of opportunities for expansion. This is the job description. Coming to the age, it will be from 35 to 45 years. And coming to the education required, like MTech or BTech in mechanical, or PhD in any branch of plant or agriculture sciences. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for computer faculty in Omega Studies. They are going to provide a salary from 6,000 to 12,000 per month. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time and the freshers are also eligible. And coming to the schedule, it will be a morning shift and a bachelor's degree is preferred. And coming to the experience required, like 1 year of experience is required. And coming to the language known, like English is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for customer care executive in Punjab, like in Vidal Health. Coming to the salary, it will be 1 lakh 2 lakhs per year. And coming to the job description, like handling team members, customer satisfaction, grievance handling, error-free claim collection from corporates, maintaining reports, sharing knowledge to team members, manage team productivity, handling escalations. This is a job description. Coming to the qualifications, like any graduation or post graduations, those who have no backlogs, those can apply, and flexible to work in shift and day shift for males and females. And coming to the working days, like 6 days will be there, like from Monday to Saturday, and salary package according to company standards. And coming to the experience required, like freshers also eligible for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Last one, there is a job opening available in Bharat Fresher. They are looking for branch relationship executive. And coming to the salary, it will be from 10,000 to 12,000 per month. Coming to the job responsibilities, like create relationship with the customers and convert in sales, and data collection and telecalling. And they need males and females, and both graduation is compulsory, and job type is full time. And coming to the salary, it will be from 10 to 12,000 per month, and education will be bachelor's is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.